I have created this website in a very easy and simple way. It took me only 2 minutes to create all of this website, and I will show you how in this video. And also I have created another website with more data, and it also took me only 2 or 4 minutes to create all of this more detailed website. And by the end of the video, I will give you a free gift as a thank you for watching this video. So stay with me for the end of the video. I will share with you all of this insight and also the free gift. And the first, we will talk about Lovable. Lovable is a very trendy tool that will allow you to create any kind of website you want. Maybe you are a freelancer who want to make a freelance portfolio website like what I did. You can make it and it will be very clean and clear, professional portfolio website for freelancer. Maybe you are affiliate marketer who want to make a website to promote your product or promote your offer. It will be very good for you also, so you can make it in a lot of different ways in your online work. So in the first, you will go to Lovable by the link in the description box, and you will make a sign in. Sign in is free, and also all of this website you can make it in a completely free way. After you log in Lovable and by your email, you will go to this dashboard. In the first, we will go to ChatGPT to ask them to create to us a prompt so we can use it in Lovable to create the website. So we will not do anything from our self. We will let ChatGPT and Lovable do all of the work for us. So I have told ChatGPT, asked them to write a prompt to use it in Lovable website, and I want to create a website for a digital marketing freelancer who want to share his portfolio in the Lovable. So after I asked ChatGPT for the prompt, it gives me this prompt in a very simple way, and I have took all of this prompt copy and will go to Lovable and put it here and paste it here and just create. And after that, Lovable will take around 2 or 4 minutes to create your website in a very easy and simple way. I will show you my website that created for me by Lovable. You will see here all of this website. As I told you, it is very clear and clean website, and you can check here also. This is the desktop and this is the tablet view, and maybe you can check also the mobile view. All of them are very clean and clear website. If you are using website builder or maybe WordPress, it will cost you around 2 weeks to create something like this. But with Lovable, you can create it in only 2 minutes, like what I did now. It's very easy and simple. And also, you can edit anything you want by here chatting with Lovable. You can ask them to change maybe this analytic performance tracking with any another word, so you can check with them, chat with them here in the chat box, and they will change it for you. Maybe you want to add your photo here in the front of the page, so it is very easy. You can get your photo and put it here in the chat, and they will put it for you. So it is very easy way to make your website now without any problem, and you can publish it here. You can publish it for free with Lovable domain and host. And if you have a custom domain, you can add your custom domain, but it will cost you now with the paid plan via Lovable. And that's it. You have your website in a very easy and simple way. And I want to share with you my gifts, as I told you, as a thank you for watching this video. I will give you a 4 Canva video template. You can use it to create this trendy channel for puzzles or quizzes video via YouTube. I have another video explaining this method. They make a lot of money by creating a quiz channels. And I have this Canva video template. I am selling it for $25, but I will give it to you in a free way. You can only simply put your name and your email and click submit, and you will receive this 4 Canva video template in your inbox. And you can use it here. As I said here, you can use it to create your channel for video quizzes like guess the correct logo or guess the correct flag, and maybe MCQ question. You can make any kind of this trendy video with simply adjusting some words and adjusting the questions here, and you make unlimited videos and use it in your channel for YouTube and make a lot of money. Also, I will give you a comparison template also for Canva. You can use it for free and you can make a comparison between a lot of product and make a lot of money with Amazon affiliate marketing. And I will give you another bonus, an instant access to 47 high quality PLR books. You can use this books in different ways. You can sell it in any price you want. It is very high quality PLR with their license, so you can sell it by your own and you can use it as a lead magnet to collect some emails for your users. You can do whatever you want with this high quality PLR. I will give it for you in a completely free way by watching this video. You will check the description box. You will find the URL for this gift. Only add your name and email and submit, and you will get this in your inbox. And that's all for today's video. I hope you like it and see you in a next one.